This is a very exciting day for Green VI, as we've been working on the ground for a long time, hand in hand with the government, in trying to create a very green BVI, a healthy green space for us and for future generations of the BVI. So it's exciting for us because this is a day when it's been formalized, the signing of an MOU between the government and Green VI. Something that we look forward to, and we're very happy for the support of the government, so happy for the support from the ministry, and we think only great things will happen through this.
Well, on behalf of the ministry, we also are very excited about the Memorandum of Understanding, the MOU, to be signed between us and Green VI. Having had a comprehensive briefing from Sarah, I think that this is a program that will show enthusiasm, and already we have to look in ways in which we're going to reduce the footprint. We cannot continue to look for additional spaces in terms of dump sites, and we surely cannot continue to build mountains out of waste, because it is unsustainable, and we have to find ways in which we can, reduce what we are doing. In the last decade, the BVI has seen a steady increase in solid waste, which has placed a significant strain on the territory's waste management system and infrastructure. Hence, the Ministry of Health and Social Development is working to create a policy environment that actively promotes the diversion of waste away from existing disposal sites through prevention, reuse, recycling, and recovery. With this goal in mind, the ministry has fostered a collaborative relationship with local recyclers such as Green VI. This has led to the emergence of a recycling program from the territory, beginning with a recycling pilot on Virgin Gorda, as you know, in 2017 in May. This was impeded, of course, by the onset of September and the hurricanes. First with the floods of 2017 and then with the hurricanes. The opportunity to partner with Green VI to scale up efforts to minimize the waste stream is timely, and it is advantageous as the territory struggles to manage an unprecedented volume of debris created or generated from the devastating impacts of those hurricanes. Green VI, a non-profit organization, as I was told, you founded in 2009, continues to play an active role in promoting recycling research and best practices in the Virgin Islands through active collaboration with government, other NPOs, private businesses, and donors. This Memorandum of Understanding being signed today formally outlines the terms and cooperation between the government of the Virgin Islands and Green VI for the purpose of the development of a community-based recycling system for the Virgin Islands. The key facets of collaboration are in the areas of research, public education, and resource mobilization. Specific responsibilities signed here today with Green VI would enable Green VI, as you've done before, to procure recycling bins to be placed in public spaces on Virgin Gorda and Tortola. And we will not leave out Jocelyn Dyke, would we? Yes, we will include Jocelyn Dyke. Procure 2 trucks for the collection of recyclables to be used on Virgin Gorda and Tortola, respectively, by the government of the Virgin Islands. And it will be preparing designs and developmental strategies for the establishment of materials, recovery systems, and facilities and eco parks in the Virgin Islands. We'll mobilize supplementary funding to support the essential components of a recycling system in the Virgin Islands. The government of the Virgin Islands, through the Department of Solid Waste, and Mr. Mastercott is right here, will be agreeing in terms of the management agreements to collect recyclable materials from agreed collection points, transport selected recyclable materials to the designated processing sites, provide skips for the collection of glass, plastic, and aluminum at Parkwood Pond. Operate, maintain, and secure collection trucks provided by Green VI, the 2 trucks as we have said, for the sole purpose of collecting recyclables on Virgin Gorda and Tortola, and return collection trucks to Green VI with documented records of all maintenance performed upon the termination of the MOU. Well, as we would have recyclables all through our lives, I think those trucks will be used throughout. The Department of Waste Management expects to be able to fulfill its responsibilities under the terms of the MOU within current budgetary allocations of human and financial resources. In tandem with these efforts, the government intends to accelerate legislation that would facilitate the reduction and recycling of single-use plastics such as grocery bags and water bottles, hence the green bottle, as well as other recyclable materials. The Ministry of Health and Social Development would also implement additional policy measures to improve the management of solid waste throughout the territory. On Wednesday, 17 April, my team and I will receive a report on the waste categorization study that was recently conducted and discuss the preliminary findings and options of a revised solid waste management strategy that is now under development. And in conclusion, I wish to thank and commend all local recyclers for their efforts and their achievements over the years, and encourage all interested persons to join hands with us as we chart a way forward towards a cleaner, greener, and healthier Virgin Islands. We are confident that with the pilot projects or projects such as Vanessa, your firm has actually undertaken, that you could basically lead the way in which you can encourage other companies, corporations, to actually participate in this, making the office space green, making sure that all of the recyclables, so, we can do it in terms of practice as opposed to just a verbal communication on this. So we look forward to having a greener Virgin Islands, with healthier Virgin Islands that could be shared for generations yet to come. Thank you very much.